Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Tonight's video, I'm going to be doing a relaxing clean with me after dark. My husband was out of town this night and my girls had just gone down for the night, and I'm just going to put on some music and clean. This video is also in collaboration with my fellow YouTuber Karli Dawn. She is a cosmetologist and she's newly married to a law enforcement officer, and she loves cleaning as much as I do. I'm really enjoying watching her channel and her videos. If you guys haven't checked her out yet, I'm going to link all of her information down below so you can do so. So all right, let's get into it. Also guys, I wanted to mention, if you are not familiar yet with Grove Collaborative, it is a place where you can get all of your cleaning supplies in one place, and I actually have a link right now. For your first order, you can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set. So I will link that down below in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Super easy, super simple. It gets shipped right to your doorstep so you don't even have to leave, and I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. And I get asked a lot where this little lantern and plant is from, and it's actually from IKEA. So I bought the lantern separate and then the little plant with the little vase, and then I put the little lights in there, and I believe the lights are actually from IKEA as well. And this spray I'm using right now, it's my newest obsession from Grove. It's the Caldrea Aroma Therapeutic Housekeeping, and it is in the scent Pear Blossom Agave, and it's a countertop spray, and it smells phenomenal. Oh my goodness. I've been told that this Caldrea, I hope I'm saying it right, Caldrea, whatever, that this brand is like awesome, and they were right. There's a bunch of different scents, but I am loving this one. ordered that Caldrea countertop spray, it actually came in a little gift set, and it came with dish soap and a hand soap, and that's what I'm using to clean out the sink. And when I tell you guys, this stuff smells amazing. I can't even describe how good it smells. It just smells so fancy. So I just love cleaning with this stuff because it just makes your kitchen smell so good. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it got you relaxed and maybe got you a little motivated to clean. Please don't forget to check out Karli's channel. She's super sweet and you guys will love her. And leave a comment on her video and tell her that I sent you. Alright, thank you guys so much and we'll see you all next time. Bye!